Good morning, Dave here in North Carolina. I am going to show you today how I plant my garlic in the fall so that it sprouts through the winter and is growing in the spring and has a good start and is ready to be harvested the next summer. So come on out with me to the garden and I will show you how I do it. This is the biggest bulb that I have planted and harvested from last year. And I'm going to be breaking that apart to put the cloves in the ground because they'll be ready to harvest next summer. And I have some soil that I was using in my square foot garden here. And I also have some worm castings that have a lot of worms in them too. You can see this. It's really wet because I got it in the bottom of my worm bin. So I will bring you in closer so you can see how I'm preparing the bed and planting. Okay, I'm doing a wood chip gardening style. I put about 3 inches of wood chips on here in the spring, and they've actually composted down pretty well. So I'm just going to put some handfuls in here. You've probably never seen a tool like that, have you? It's similar to those that have the 3 tines, but actually the other 2 tines just broke off of this one. But this works actually pretty well. And I never throw anything away, of course. I plant around this old blueberry bush that died. I think I put lime on it, which was not a good idea, I found out later. I was thinking, well, gardens always need lime, right? Wrong. It was a nice thriving bush. And now it's completely dead. So, okay. Let's break some of these cloves apart and get to planting. This has some pretty nice sized cloves in it. Wow, look, some of these are already starting to almost sprout. I just put them down under there about 2 inches. And about 3 inches apart. And just go all over the place with them. Not too scientific, I guess. The storage space filled up when I was filming the other side, but I did planted some more in here and just show you. I should have said too that the way you plant these cloves is this is where the roots were on the bottom side here, so this is where it's going to sprout out at the top. So you just put the clove in with the root side down and the pointed side up, and that's how they're going to sprout out. And then just once I have them in there, just sort of pat the soil down over them and wait for them to sprout. They'll probably sprout through the winter as long as it's not too crazy cold I'm in North Carolina, so it's not too bad. I think it's zone 7B, or is it 8B? I always forget. I'm pretty sure it's 7B. So it's not too drastic temperatures here. So put them to bed and let them sprout, and I will keep you updated on how they come up and how they grow. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time around.